Labour Chief Lim Swee Say says the NTUC is keeping track on a weekly basis of the number of workers who may be affected by potential retrenchments ahead of any slowdown of the economy.
The NTUC, together with the WDA, we've already worked with some of the companies that are beginning to see the early sign of slowing down. We are working with them to send their workers, those on shorter work weeks, and some of their potential excess workers to go on training before they take any action for retrenchment.
Mr. Lim was speaking to reporters at the opening of the upgraded Bedok Community Centre. The 30-year-old structure got a 4 million Sing dollar facelift. Mr. Lim says any slowdown is related not to the size of companies, but to the sector. However, he says the retrenchment situation today is unlikely to be anywhere close to the numbers seen in 2008. Mr. Lim also says the review on CPF contributions will continue, but he stressed that short-term fluctuations and longer-term structural issues should be kept separate.
On the whole, we will address the short-term issue and the longer-term issue on the one hand separately, but yes, at the same time, of course, we'll take into consideration. So, for example, the pace of review, the quantum of review, I think obviously those we may have to take into account, the short-term outlook. But in terms of the medium-term to longer-term, I think we have to really address the structural aspect.